So honey, today we're barbecuing and we don't have a barbecue. So you made a barbecue stand, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we bought a one-time barbecue. And I think you're a genius. You've got the stand working all around the deck railing perfectly. And these steaks look great. Honey, the dinner's looking great. You did a wonderful job. Thank you so much. And now you're gonna say grace, right?
Really? Okay.
Okay. Welcome to Birgit's Diary. My husband Grant and I are retired and we live in Ontario, Canada, and we'd like to share our daily life with you. Well everyone, I finally finished my painting and it's hanging up in the guest bedroom. Here's a closer look at the painting. I just love lilacs. It's one of my favorite flowers, and the field flowers, I used to love picking them when I was camping years ago, and that's where I got the inspiration, and I think it worked out really well. I was at a garage sale today and I picked up this beautiful chair for only $10. It fits perfect in this corner. I'm so pleased. So this chair is pretty comfortable, and I want to tell you that when I was shopping at Zara's for groceries, right beside us was parked a 1955, I think, Chevrolet, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. And it was in such immaculate, perfect condition, and it was so beautiful to see an old car. And 1955 is my birth year. So honey, I was wrong. The car, the 1955, it's a
Dodge.
Dodge. Okay.
Chrysler product.
Okay.
That's right. Although there's no airbags in this one, so. Yeah, but the thing is, going back, you just yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Steering wheel.
This is our family.
Tomorrow we're going to the fairgrounds, and there we're going to see a demolition derby, and we haven't seen one of those for many years, and that will be in the next video. Yeah. No, this extra tickets you're buying this house. It's $10. And it's free. I don't know when it said it was free. Yeah. There's somebody else go.